Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. I bid to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Azhar, our group mates, Chia Jerong and Sun Rong Jun. My name is Muhammad Adam Fikri bin Abdul Rahman and I'm here to present our final AI project titled Smart Waste Classification Expert System. So the system was developed by me and my group mates. We move on to our significant next research background. As we all know, waste management has become a serious issue in many cities. People often throw their rubbish without sorting it properly, and recyclable materials end up in landfills while compostable items get mixed with plastics and other harmful waste. This can causes a lot of pollution and waste valuable resources. Many people want to recycle, but they don't know how to classify their waste. The current methods like posters are either confusing and not user friendly, so we decided to build a system that can help to solve this problem using artificial intelligence. So our problem definition is the main problem is the lack of knowledge and awareness among the public. People don't even know whether an item should be recycled, composed, or thrown in general waste. This leads to contaminating recycling bins and make the recycling process less effective. So we believe that this expert system, one that can think like human and give smart advice, can help users identify waste item and guide them on how to dispose of properly. So our goals, what is our goals? We have four. First, to develop a smart system that can classify common waste like glass, plastic, paper, metal, or organic waste. Second, to give disposable suggestion based on the item. For example, throw in the blue bin or orange bin, something like that. Thirdly, to raise awareness and promote better habits. Lastly, to show how AI, sorry, how to show how AI, specifically expert system, can be applied to real world environmental problem. And lastly, for our target users, we have four main target users that our system is designed for, which is first household, so families can sort their rubbish more effectively. And second, student and educators as a tool for learning about AI and sustainability. Third, environmental groups, or we call it as NGO, to support awareness campaign. And lastly, we have local authorities who can use it to reduce errors in waste collection. So I pass to our teammate soon to the next part.
Right. All right. Thank you, Adam. So for my part, it's a spotlight to talking about the system design. So actually, for our system, we are mainly designed for user to identify and classify for the waste. So what the user actually need to do is just uploading the image. Can just upload the image they want to classify, and the system will use the teachable machine module to detect about the material, such as maybe they are uploading the image about the glass, they will show that there's a glass for the image. So second, after they're uploading for the image, there will be a disposal recommendation based on the material. That means that the system will provide a clear recommendation for disposal. So let's take for example will be like maybe the user take they're uploading for glass waste. So the system will recommend the user to throw the glass bottle into the blue bin. So next, I will mainly talking about the inference engine. For the inference engine we are using is using by Python rules. So it applies for forward chaining rules, such as if the waste is shining, metallic, it will show as metal. Second, we're talking about the image classification. So for our system, we use the teachable machine with a convolutional neutral network CNN for accurate image classification for every different waste type. Next, we are talking about the system architecture. So for our system, we are using forward chaining. So in this case, the the classification waste type written by the teachable machine model, and we apply relevant rules from the knowledge base to draw a conclusion. So what we can see from the image we have showed for this slide. So let's take for example, if we are talking about paper, if the material of the image of the user upload is flat and matte surface, we will define it as a paper and give you a recommendation, which is the disposal instruction to the user to throw into the blue bin. Okay, besides on that, for architecture design diagram, the system architecture we includes about user interface for uploading image and also for the teachable machine model for classification. Other than that, we also use the inference engine to apply the knowledge-based rules. Last but not least, we use a result display to provide user with a clear recommendation. So for next part, I will pass it to my teammate, Jia.
Okay, thank you, Sun. So now I will explain about the part about implementation. Okay, so the tools we use, we develop the system using Anaconda for environment management and Visual Studio Code as the integrate development environment. And the development process involves training the teachable machine model and implementing the inference engine logic and integrating the component to create a seamless user experience. Next. Okay, so for the test case, we conduct extensive testing with various ways image. We have 7 categories, and each categories we have 250 image to ensure the system accurately classifies different type of waste and provide correct disposal recommendations. For validation result, the validation results show high accuracy in waste classification with the system effectively guiding user on proper disposal method. And we use in our system, we have an error handling function, which if the confidence level is less than 0.7, the system will show the warning. So now let me show the demonstration. So first, we open our Anaconda and we open the terminal. Okay, so first we need to open our file location. Okay, then we need to type this code to run our Python code. So it will open the interface. Okay, so this is our system interface, which is Smart Waste Classification System. So you see the instruction here, upload an image of the waste item. So we can choose the image. For example, I choose the plastic bag. So the system will start recognizing the images. Okay, as you can see the classification result, it recognizes it's the plastic shopping bags and the confidence score is 1.0. So the advice the system gives is to recycle in the orange bin for plastics. So let's show more example. For example, shoes. Okay, so the system also able to recognize the picture as a shoes and the confidence level score is 1. So it advised consider donating or disposing in textile collection bin. And our system also have the error handling function. So which for example we choose the car image which is not related in this system. Okay, so the confidence level score is 0.65. So the system will send a warning message which this image may not match any non-waste class. Please try another image. And yeah, so this is our demonstration. So we can go to conclusion. Okay, so for this AI project, we successfully uh, create an AI recognition for the waste And I believe that this will help us to identify and classification the waste into categories effortless and more efficiency. And it also provide the accuracy uh, to avoid like error when we use human manpower. And for this project enhancement, future works may include expanding the type of waste. The system can classify and improving the accuracy of the classification model through continuous training and update. And for integration, we plan to integrate the system with smart waste bin and model application to make it more accessible and user-friendly for the general public. For the project impact, our smart waste classification expert system aims to revolutionize waste management by leveraging AI to promote recycling and reduce environment pollution. The project was a collaborative effort by our team members with the guidance from our Prof. Dr. Azhar, and we are excited about its potential to contribute to sustainable waste management. In short, this expert system is more than just a school project. It's useful and meaningful idea that show how AI can make our world cleaner and smarter. It proves that even small steps like sorting our trash correctly can make a big difference to our Mother Earth. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.